Hello, I'm doing an online video here for the online car show on CarShowNationals.com, and I'm here with...
Hi, my name's Mike Moss. I'm from Minnesota. I have entered the CarShowNational.com online video car show sponsored by
Auto Inspirations.
Yep, thank you. So this is my ride. It's a 2010 Chrysler 300 with the stock motor. The paint is a dark titanium gray. And I have the air ride with 24-inch wheels and 12-inch Kicker L7 squares with Hyphonics amps. I got the carbon fiber roof wrap with it on the hood. I got the dual exhaust from on here.
Looks like you got some underglow.
Yep, I have LED lights up under the wheel well. I have LED lights in the trunk and inside the car.
Yeah, pretty cool. And then tell us about this fender.
The fender is the OEM fender. I had a friend of mine fabricate the vent in there, which throws a lot of people off.
Yeah.
I think it's fiberglass, which it ain't.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And then I got my RC car that resembles my car.
Yeah, it looks just like it. So in the video, we're gonna want to like and share this video, and make sure you vote for his ride or any ride every day at CarShowNationals.com, where you could win up to $3,000 for first place. Just make sure you check it out. And this is Mike's car.